Today, let's learn how to download songs on Spotify for offline listening. If you're trying to listen to songs even when you're not connected to the internet, you can easily do that by pre downloading songs so that you can easily stream offline. Let's head over to the app of Spotify. Now, what you can do is either download individual songs or download it as a whole on a playlist. But keep in mind, in order for you to download songs and play it offline, you will need to have a premium version. If you don't yet have a premium version, you can get the premium version by tapping on the premium option on the bottom right and choose from different plans that are available. But however, if you don't have a premium plan, you won't be able to download it offline. If you do have a premium plan, open up any song or podcast that you're trying to download. And right here, you'll have the option of downloading with a download arrow. Similarly, if you head over to your playlist, open up any playlist that you've created. And right here as well, you'll have the option to download this entire playlist. Once you downloaded this playlist, you'll be able to view and play this playlist even when you are not connected to the internet. So that's the way on how you can download songs on Spotify for offline listening. Do make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also turn on the notifications so you get notified for more future videos.